Hi, my name's Rob Schaffer from Serveredge. We're here today at the Integrate 2018 exhibition at Darling Harbour in Sydney. Just want to make you aware of our range of HDMI products. These are HDMI extenders that would enable you to run cabling over longer distances than traditional how shall I put it? The standard cable only allows you to go approximately 10 meters before you lose signal. These are all HD-T, 4K, and deliver Ultra HD. We also have a range of HDMI cables to go along with these. If you come over here, we do your standard range of HDMI cables up to 15 meters that will deliver 4K Ultra HD. We also have shorter cables as well that will deliver 4K Ultra HD. Once you get over 10 or 15 meters, you tend to lose signal. So we have up to 40 meter cables in copper that you can run 4K Ultra HD up to 40 meters without using any electronics. So it's makes it less chance of product failure because you're not relying on power supplies and electronic components. Our latest addition to our range is our fiber optic HDMI cable. These come in a multitude of different lengths. These can be used up to 100 meters without any electronics and delivers absolute guaranteed HD-T 4K Ultra HD picture quality. For more information, go to our website www.serveredge.com.au. Thank you.